Hi everyone, welcome to Feng Shui Cafe. In this video, I'm going to talk about T-junction house and why is it considered bad Feng Shui. So what exactly is a T-junction house? A T-junction house is a house that's directly facing a T-shaped road where a minor road joins a major one without crossing it. As you can see in the video, the road is pointing towards the front door of the house, so the house is more exposed to the qi or energy that's rushing towards the house at a very high speed, like lots of sharp arrows flying directly into the house. So this energy is not the type of balanced and harmonious energy, but a very sharp energy that could have a negative impact on the people living in the house. So what are the negative impacts? It could impact the career, prosperity, relationships, and health of the family members in the house. Apart from T-junction, there are also many other types of roads that could be negative. For example, the road could be in an L shape, a T shape sliding to the left or right, or a Y shape. So whatever the shape, they all have one thing in common. The road is pointing directly to the house, allowing the sharp energy entering the house. So now let's look at a real-life case example. So this is a road in a residential area, and it comes down this way and we can see a crossroad. And when we look straight down, the energy coming from the road is directly hitting the house right over there. So if a house is situated downhill, facing a road in front of it, the negative energy is even worse. If you are living in an apartment with the road pointing straight towards the main entrance, the negative effects are just the same as living in a T-junction house. If you happen to be living in a T-junction house, here are the 3 simple remedies to help you improving your house's Feng Shui. Number 1. You can plant a border of shrubs or bushes in front of your main entrance to create a barrier that blocks the bad energy coming into your house. Number 2. You can also build a solid fence in front of your main entrance to block the bad energy. Number 3. By hanging curtains or blinds on your windows is also another way to block the bad energy coming into your house. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you like my Feng Shui videos, please subscribe to my channel.